kumustahin natin ang kaganapan sa labas ng bansa ito. Merong report si Mike Cohen about Vietnam-China role sa connections.
4 days, Chinese and Vietnamese vessels have been in a standoff. The Chinese ships have been spraying water on the Vietnamese. On May 4th, Chinese ships have rammed Vietnamese vessels. Chinese media quoted a government spokesman as insisting not only had the rig been positioned in Chinese waters near the Parcel Islands, the GPS positioning showing that the ship was far from China's claimed Parcel Island. The implications to the development are significant. The fact that the Chinese moved ahead with their plans to put a rig immediately after President Obama's visit to 4 Asian countries, assuring them of his commitment in the face of increased aggression from China. Objectively speaking, the U.S. rebalancing strategy in the Asia-Pacific is aimed at achieving a strategic balance between China, Japan, the Philippines, and the rest of ASEAN. A move that from China's claimed Parcel Islands, which it won in a war with Vietnam in 1983. The United States State Department spokesman Jen Psaki said that the CNOC's actions were provocative and helpful to the maintenance of peace and stability in the region. China's spokesman, according to the state-owned Communist Party-run Xinhua News Service, says that the United States is in no position to make demands on China's internal affairs. It is not the first time that China has this area with a drilling rig. It did the same thing back in 2012. That time, CNOC chairman said the large deepwater rigs are mobile national territories and a strategic weapon of promoting the development of China's offshore oil industry. This means that the CNOC's drilling rigs are similar to that of the Chinese naval vessels. One can expect soon that China's pushing aggression and oil exploration will move stronger. For Good Morning Boss, Mike Cohen.